In today's world, personal safety is more important than ever. And thanks to modern innovation, protecting yourself doesn't have to mean carrying something intimidating or illegal. From discreet pepper spray pens to clever stun gadgets and even self-defense phone cases, Amazon is packed with tools designed to help you feel more confident and prepared wherever you go. In this list, we've rounded up 12 Amazon self-defense gadgets you can legally own in 2025. Smart, compact, and surprisingly practical devices that blend safety with everyday convenience. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just walking home at night, these clever inventions prove that staying safe can be simple, legal, and even stylish. Tiger Lady. The Tiger Lady is a refreshingly simple yet clever self-defense tool. Crafted from high-impact plastic and designed to fit snugly in your hand, it weighs less than 2 ounces. Light enough to carry in a pocket, clutch, or bag without feeling bulky. Rather than batteries or sprays, it uses 3 retractable claw-like blades that mirror a cat's defensive mechanism. The underside channels even capture DNA evidence in case of a confrontation. Priced around $35 for the single unit, it presents itself as a thoughtful, always ready option. Lifelight. The Lifelight combines a powerful 350 lumen LED flashlight with a CO2-powered pepper projectile launcher, offering 5 rounds and an effective firing range of up to 60 feet. It weighs about 1.75 pounds and measures roughly 286 by 59 by 65 millimeters. Quite manageable for home defense or vehicle storage. The kit typically runs around $299.99, though some sellers list prices up to about $350. What I like most, you're getting a dual-purpose device, light plus non-lethal deterrent, that doesn't require a firearm permit. On the flip side, the size and cost mean it might be overkill for simple everyday carry. Bulletproof Bag. The Bulletproof Bag presents itself as a discreet, everyday-style backpack outfitted with integrated ballistic protection, often rated around NIJ level YIIA, meaning it can stop many handgun rounds. Depending on the brand and protection level, you'll find examples falling in the roughly $150 to $500 range. While specs vary, many level 3A inserts weigh about a pound or 2 and sit slim enough to go unnoticed in a standard backpack. What I like most, you get peace of mind without looking like you're carrying tactical gear. On the flip side, the cost and weight bump mean it may feel overbuilt for daily errands, and it doesn't protect against high-powered rifle rounds unless you go to the higher levels. Miniature Colt 1908. The Miniature Colt 1908 is a striking piece of craftsmanship. A handmade solid steel miniature produced by the Russian studio Rugun model, with luxury touches like natural ivory or wood grips and brass accents. At just 3.5 centimeters, about 1.5 inches, in length, it's more of a display piece than everyday carry. The model features a functioning loading system using 2mm pinfire caps, a fun mechanical quirk. With a price around $740, it's clearly aimed at collectors who appreciate fine micro detail and artisan work rather than practical self-defense use. In short, beautiful, whimsical, and a conversation piece. But not something you'd reach for when you need a practical safety tool. Yellow Jacket Phone Case. The Yellow Jacket Phone Case is a bold and creative twist on everyday carry. It combines a protective smartphone shell with a built-in stun gun rated around 650,000 volts. The case also houses a rechargeable battery pack, doubling your phone's standby time while adding the stun capability. While pricing has varied over time, early versions were expected to retail around $125. What I like, it's a clever, always with you tool for someone comfortable with tech and personal safety gadgets. On the flip side, It's bulkier than a typical case, may raise legal, regulatory concerns depending on your region, and the stun function requires intentional activation. Taser Pulse. This compact device weighs just around 8 ounces and measures roughly 4.75 inches, H by 5.25 inches, L by 1.25 inches W, making it surprisingly easy to carry in a small bag or holster. The Pulse series offers a 15-foot effective range through a cartridge system that fires 2 darts, and it also has a contact stun mode for up-close defense. The standard retail price is about $399.99 for the base unit. What stands out is how it bridges serious deterrence with consumer-friendly carry. You're not hauling a full firearm, but you're still equipped with a tool that gives you space and time. On the flip side, the cost and the need to train yourself on its use and check local legality mean it's not a casual impulse buy. Overall, a high-quality, well-thought-out, non-lethal defense option. Just make sure it fits your lifestyle and local legal environment. Bolarrap. The Bolawrap 150 is a curious blend of innovation and practicality, weighing in at about 1.8 pounds, approximately 816 grams, and sized at roughly 8.5 inches L by 2.5 inches W by 5.5 inches high. It's a serious piece of kit. Its range reaches about 10 to 25 feet, deploying an 8-foot Kevlar tether in under 0.3 seconds to entangle a subject rather than injure them. While full retail pricing isn't always listed publicly, sources suggest devices costing somewhere in the US $1,000 plus range. What I appreciate, it offers a non-lethal option for restraint, ideal for those seeking a less aggressive tool in unsafe scenarios. On the flip side, its cost, size, and specialized nature mean it's more for serious defensive setups than casual everyday carry. Stun Ring. The Streetwise Sting Ring, a compact self-defense ring-style stun device, weighs around 3.2 ounces, approximately 90 grams, and measures roughly 76 by 58 by 25 millimeters. It boasts an open output around 18 million volts, designed for short-range contact stuns, priced at about $23 US on one site. What I appreciate, it's ultra-compact, discreet enough for a purse or pocket, and gives a glaring, unexpected deterrent effect. The small size means you're more likely to carry it consistently. On the flip side, because it's so small, you'll need to deploy it with deliberate contact and have the presence of mind in a stressful encounter. It's no substitute for distance tools or full-size stuns. Great for everyday carry if legal in your area and used with awareness. Pen Pepper Spray. The Saber. Pepper Spray Pen is a cleverly disguised self-defense tool that looks like a normal executive ink pen, but hides a covert powerhouse inside. It offers approximately 15 bursts of pepper spray and reaches a distance of about 8 feet, 2 meters, enough to give you that extra fraction of space when things get tense. With integrated UV marking dye and a pocket clip, it stays easy to carry while remaining discreet. Pricing is around $30 US for the unit. What I like? It offers a smart blend of concealment, convenience, and deterrence. Ideal for someone who wants a non-intimidating but serious protection option. On the flip side, the short range means you'll need to be relatively close to make it effective, and you still must act quickly and intentionally. A thoughtful everyday carry pick. Just be sure it's legal where you are. BAR Tactical Spork. The BAR Tactical Spork with hidden knife is a clever hybrid tool. A lightweight eating utensil made of black food, safe Grillamid polymer that also conceals a 2.5-inch serrated blade inside. It measures about 6.875 inches long and weighs just 1.26 ounces. Priced around $15 US, it's very affordable for outdoor or everyday carry gear. What I like? It's discreet, multifunctional, fork, spoon, and knife, and blends into non-threatening settings while still offering a backup option. On the flip side, the blade length and utensil body mean it's no heavy-duty defense tool. More of a stealthy last resort gadget. If you travel light and like gear with hidden capability, this one ticks the box. But check local laws before using it as a self-defense device.